Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best budget 3D printers.
Starting at number 5.
Sovol SV07. It seems like everyone is talking about super speedy 3D printers these days, but what if you can't afford the latest and greatest Core XY? No worries, because Sovol has your back. The company took a solid Ender-style bed slinger with dual Z-axis and a volcano-style hot end, slapped a massive fan on it, and gave it clipper. The result is a very loud, very fast, and very affordable 3D printer for $339. The SV07 cruises at 250 mm per second but can hit 500 mm per second in draft mode. Acceleration rates aren't listed, but Clipper has pegged it at 8,000 mm per second, which is way faster than most bed slingers can handle. This is possible because the SV07 has Clipper's input shaping routine to cancel out the vibrations. We printed a perfect speed benchy in 22 minutes using its default settings, as well as several very nice prints. And because it has a direct drive, the printer can even handle TPU when slowed down.
Coming at number 4.
AOSeed Xmaker. 3D printers are not toys, but that doesn't mean kids can't have a printer of their own. The AOSeed Xmaker is the best 3D printer I've seen made specifically for a child to run independently. It's compact, it's cute, and it comes with its own suite of kid-friendly design software. Unlike some printers for kids, this one is not dumbed down. It's a fully enclosed 3D printer that can still be used with normal slicers like Cura or Prusa slicer, which means it can grow to meet the needs of an advanced student or grown-up. It's simple to load, comes factory leveled, and has an informative graphic interface. The Xmaker is fully assembled, and its software is packed with toys ready to personalize and print. Some of the apps are a little clunky, and the onboard slicer is limited, but it gets the job done. The best part is there are no memberships to buy or toys to unlock with tokens, everything is included. You can gift this printer to a child in the morning and have toys in hand before bedtime.
At number 3.
Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Pro may look suspiciously like a typical Creality Ender 3 clone, but that's where the similarities end. Equipped with a powerful part cooling fan, dual-threaded Z-axis rods, automatic build platform calibration, and an extruder module absolutely packed with functionality, the Neptune 4 Pro jumped straight onto our best 3D printers list as soon as it was out of the box. For beginners looking for a capable machine with a fast startup and a low entry price, the sub-$300 Neptune 4 Pro is our choice to recommend. Common failure points for beginners include adhesion to the build platform, which can be caused by either a non-adhesive platform or a poor calibration. The textured PEI sheet on the Neptune 4 Pro keeps parts locked down during printing, but releases them after cooling, allowing for an effortless part removal. The 121-point automatic calibration compensates for unevenness on the platform, and helps users to dial in the perfect print. Add in a direct drive extruder, linear rods for lightning-fast travel moves, an intuitive touchscreen, and suddenly the value of the Neptune 4 Pro becomes clear. The Neptune 4 Pro is simple enough for a beginner to assemble in only a few hours, but has enough features and horsepower to allow users to grow with the printer. This Clipper-equipped printer is capable of easily hitting dizzying print speeds, while the included part cooling module can lock the filament in place immediately after extruding.
Number 2 of my list.
Creality Ender 3v3. There has never been a more user-friendly, sub-$200 3D printer than Creality's Ender 3v3 SE. Say goodbye to scratch builds and manual leveling. This machine takes no more than 15 minutes to assemble, then self-levels and sets its own Z height. Its modern LED interface makes the machine simple to use and comes complete with guides to walk you through filament changes and more. It's faster than previous Ender 3s with a max speed of 250 mm per second, which is mainly done by way of a robust build, with linear rods on the Y-axis and dual Z-axis, rather than speedy firmware. Obviously Creality had to cut a few corners to produce this machine. It only has one Z-stepper motor, the second Z-axis is synced with a belt. The bed has a cheaper PC surface, and there's no Wi-Fi.
And number 1.
Creality K1. The entire 3D printing community has fallen in love with high-speed printers, and Creality's new flagship, the K1, is looking to win you over. In clear response to the competition, Creality has introduced a speedy, fully enclosed Core XY machine. It boasts a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second paired with an acceleration rate of 20,000 mm per second. It can knock out a speed benchy in 15 minutes with good quality, and its normal print speed is around 5 times faster than old-school bed slingers. The K1 is retailing at $599, the same price as Bamboo Labs Open Frame P1P. How does it compare? In our testing, the K1 is just as fast as both the P1P and P1S with a better interface and the ability to avoid unreliable cloud printing by using a USB stick or your private LAN. The K1 is a Core XY machine, a speedy style that Creality hasn't tried since the ill-fated Ender 7. This machine is twice as fast and with the help of Clipper's input shaping can produce excellent quality at speed. It has an all-metal hot end with a bespoke volcano-style nozzle, a Sprite direct drive extruder, and an enclosure for handling temperature-sensitive material like ABS and ASA. It's one of the few plug-and-play 3D printers on the market, arriving 99.5% assembled. All you need to do is unbox and unpack the printer. And like its rival at Bamboo Labs, it can calibrate itself.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.